Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the pound dollar overall, on these higher time frames, I'm still definitely looking at this as going up for a wave C. I think this over here is a wave A. I think it's 3 waves down for a wave B, and I think we're making 5 waves up for a wave C, which I still expect will most likely go up and take out the previous highs. So heading down to the weekly time frame, that would make this right here 5 waves up for like a wave 1, like a wave 1 of 3, WXY wave 2, and if this really is a wave 3 of wave 3, which I think it is, then yeah, it definitely can make a move to the downside, but it should make higher lows, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up for this wave 3 trend. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we did just recently have a break of structure to the downside. That may signify that this whole move from here to here is over. If that whole move from there to there is over, then we may see a correction someplace between the 38 and the 78% Fibonacci retracement. Now, we got to keep an eye on it because there is a possibility this is a flat correction, and if it is, it will just keep on trending up. But if not, then most likely it will make a pretty significant retracement down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, just like I was mentioning yesterday, I'm still looking at this right here as possibly being 3 waves down for A, 3 waves up for B, and 5 waves down for C. So if it does break structure with a nice impulsive and golfing move to the upside, I definitely still would look at it as possibly an expanding flat wave C and possibly continuing the uptrend. But I would have to see a nice break and hold above structure to believe it, because now that we actually have a break to the downside, you should technically probably be looking for shorts at least down to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, because it did break and hold below structure, if you are a very short time frame trader, I think you should be looking for shorts. But like I was just saying, I do think there is a very good chance that this is a 3-3-5 pattern. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 5 waves down. Definitely looks like one of those ABC 3-3-5 patterns, which is a flat, and if this is a higher high wave B and a lower low wave C, then that would be an expanding flat. So if price does go up, if it does break structure and hold above structure, I definitely will go back to being a buyer, because that would probably signify that we're back into an uptrend. If price doesn't do that, but instead continues to make lower lows, lower highs, I think that shorter time frame traders should be looking for shorts, at least taking it down to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.